People just think you're a basketball coach. Well, no, you're also engagement coordinator.
Yeah.
You have to be out in the community. You have to also be somewhat entrepreneurial, getting and talking to big businesses to come in to talk, chat your team up as well as chat you up so you can chat the university up.
I think it starts with different things like this. Anytime someone invites me somewhere, I'm not second-guessing it.
Right.
The engagement, the community of Fairfax, and just the visibility, I've got to be able to do my part in marketing the university via our basketball program. I think there's a lot of opportunity in Fairfax. There's no football at George Mason. There's no pro sports in Northern Virginia or in Virginia in general. And so, organically we become, the show in town. And just finding different ways to tie into those roots and bringing all that together, I think that's the, that's the goal. And I'm willing to put myself in front of that.